So I'll get to it.
Hi and welcome to another video, and what I have to do here is reduce the height of this fruit tree and also take off all the limbs and branches that aren't looking too healthy. And as you'll see, not an easy job, but near the end of the video I'll discuss a few other things which can be difficult, and I'll give you a few tips, and hope you enjoy the video.
Okay, so I finished pruning that fruit tree there, and I've just done 14 trips to the trailer. So as you can see, I've cleaned up a lot. There is another trip to make though, the 15th trip, and if you're doing this just privately, you know, you can do whatever you like. That's no problem. But if you're getting paid to do work like this, you see them sticks or the prunings, all these little ones, they've got to come. They've got to get picked up. You can't leave them. It just looks unprofessional. Only little things like that. But if you leave them sitting around, it just doesn't finish off a job. It doesn't make you look like a professional, and it just looks like you sort of half left the job done. And I can assure you, every person you go and do a job for, whether they're fussy or not, they will come out and look at something like that and then say, oh, they didn't finish the job, oh, they didn't do a good job. And it's all because of the few little sticks. You know, it's probably nothing to do with you. It's just the general nature of people, you know. So yeah, I'm just going to walk these few sticks up here and just show the walk that I had to do, basically 15 of once I go back and get the rest. And often something to consider is that the walk is the part that takes the most time. So you've got to, you know, be prepared to, you know, do about 14 to 15 loads for every tree. As you can see there, I haven't tied it down yet. I'll do that after I bring all the prunings to here. But yeah, I'll tie that down. But as you can imagine, I have worked up a sweat, and I wasn't sweating while I was pruning. I worked up the sweat from carrying all the prunings to the trailer. I don't know if you can hear that in the voice, but yeah, if you walk this 15 times back and forward, yeah. Oh, I'm just going to fix that little, I bumped him. That used to be an old fern that I cut off. A little surprise, I just put this ornament I found on there and looks quite good. A little surprise for someone. But yeah, so I'll be here probably another 15 minutes, and I'll be cleaning up all these little sticks, and then I'll blow my way out so I don't leave anything around. But yeah, it's quite just a useful tip to know that there's more to pruning than just pruning. Although pruning is hard, it's you know, it's not an easy part, but you've got to be prepared for what's after as well. That's probably the hardest part. I have made a few videos about that, about the cleaning up's the hardest part of gardening, and I think everyone knows that.